If you want a fully funded scholarship in Europe and you don't want to miss the deadline, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to apply step by step on the official portal, the document you must upload, and the top 7 mistakes that get people rejected, including one new rule people are missing. Welcome to Trip Talk. In this video, I will tell you who is eligible, what is covered, and how to submit a complete file, because incomplete applications are not considered. This scholarship is offered by Romanian through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and applications are submitted only via the Study in Romanian Scholarship platform. The course opens 16 February 2026 and closes 31st March 2026. Results are announced around 15 July 2026. This is mainly for non-EU foreign citizens, but there are exceptions, like people of Romanian origin who use different programs, people with protection status in Romania, and some diplomatic categories. So before you apply, read eligibility carefully. Here is why they call it fully funded. It covers tuition fee, may cover Romanian language preparatory year tuition if required, provides a monthly scholarship, and supports dorm accommodation with allocated subsidy depending on available places. You will cover visa-related costs and some personal expenses. These are 2 rules people meet. Number 1, scholarships are not awarded in medicine. So if you are a medicine student, you don't apply for this. It is not awarded in dental medicine and pharmacy. For bachelor and masters, programs are generally Romanian taught, while PhD may allow English, and that depends on the doctoral school. Step 1, go to official scholarship platform and click Create Account. Use an email you check daily. After registration, verify your email, because all updates include results come by email. So I'm going to fill for instance. Complete your personal details. After you have confirmed your email, they will send code to your email address. You're going to put the code here. You confirm. This is the dashboard it's going to show you. Now the next step is click on Start Your Application. And before you begin, you need to read and accept all these things. Like, I am not citizen of EU member. You need to meet all these requirements. It's a must for you to read all of them and tick all of them. Click on I understand. Then you begin your application. Fill in your information. When you get to select your study level, select whether you are single or married. Put your application here. Maybe you are a social worker. Workplace, wherever you are working, your company, let's say next to. Click on next step. You choose your country. Maybe you are from Nigeria. Republic of Nigeria. City of birth in Lagos. Your passport country. Nigeria. Put your passport information, country of residence, city of residence, Lagos. Complete postal address. You put your address here, like citizen. Click next step. Yeah, this is where you will select your study level, whether bachelor, whether masters or PhD. BA and MA, they are usually Romanian taught. If you don't speak Romanian, you may need the preparatory year. So let's say you want to go for bachelor now. You choose bachelor. And do you need the Romanian preparatory year? I would suggest to put that, because if you read the rules, they said majority of bachelor program, the level of language they will use is Romanian. So that is why they are asking this from you. Do you need a Romanian preparatory year? Yes, you need to put it there. High school grade. The grade you got in your high school, you are going to put it there. You get it? So let's say you get 87%. I'm going to put it there. High school grade equivalent to Romania. So you are going to put the same thing there too. Like let's say 5.0 something. You need to know the Romanian grading system. Diploma issued by Nigeria or any of your country. Now, the most important part, documents. The official platform requires you to upload scans individually in PDF format. I repeat, the official platform requires you to upload scan individually in PDF format. I will explain something that majority of you guys are doing that is making them to reject your application. Number one, you don't want to use your phone to snap your document, convert it to PDF, and use it to apply. Trust me, no any organization will take that from you, irrespective of how sharp your phone is. Those are the common mistakes that majority of you guys are doing, that I know for sure. That is why I'm addressing this thing here. So that is why I will repeat it. The official platform requires you to upload scan individually in PDF format. If your documents are not in the accepted language, you need an authorized translation. And what are the authorized language? English, French, Spanish, or Romanian. Any other language than that, you need to authorize it. So here, you will browse your CV, and I believe you know how to make academic CV, because that is very, very crucial. Upload your birth certificate if you have, upload your international passport, and upload document, your marriage certificate, upload your apostille. And one thing I want you to know is, from the part of the requirement, you need an apostille. This is why they say it here. Authenticated high school transcript. You need to go and do it. Maybe from the Romanian embassy in your country or any notarized public in your country. You need to go and do it there. It is very, very important. If you don't do it, automatically you'll be rejected. So these are the list of documents they expect you to upload. Your CV, your birth certificate, your international passport, your apostilled or authenticated high school diploma. It is very, very mandatory. You see, they put it, the border, they put it red, so that you know it is very, very important. It is mandatory. And your school transcript. All these one are optional, but it is good to add it. Very important. Once you submit, you cannot edit or upload new documents. So don't rush. Review everything before click submit. Because submitting incomplete file, wrong program, mental or dental pharmacy, bad scan, not clear, not PDF, or you use your phone to snap match wrong, passport not valid, missing pages, missing authorized translation, PhD without supervisor agreement, waiting until last day. If you selected, you will receive an email and the Ministry of Education issues a letter of acceptance. That letter is required for your long-stay study visa and enrollment. After that, you contact the university about their enrollment steps and accommodation availability. Now, you have the complete step-by-step guide to apply for the Romanian Government Scholarship 2026 directly from the official portal. Save this video, share it with someone who needs European fully funded, and subscribe because the next opportunity might be even bigger.